Hello, I'm Angelica Miguel and this is my video report for Activity 1, the applications of 3D graphics and role of mathematics in graphics. So, first is application of 3D graphics. 3D graphics are everywhere in digital media, from movies and games to web design and virtual reality. But what are the main uses of and benefits of 3D graphics for different types of media, and what are the challenges and opportunities for 3D artists and developers? In this article, we will explore some of the most popular application of 3D graphics for digital media and how they create immersive and engaging experience for audience. So first is the animation and visual effects. One of the most obvious and well-known application of 3D graphics is in animation and visual effects. The VFX for movies, TV shows, commercials, and other video content. 3D graphics allow animator and VFX artists to create realistic and fantastical characters, environments, and phenomena that would be impossible or too costly to film in real life. So, animation in 3D graphics also enable more creative and expressive storytelling, as well as seamless integration with live action footage. Some example of 3D animation and VFX include Pixar films, Marvel's movies, and the Lion King remake. And next, the video games. Another major application of 3D graphics is in video games, which have evolved from simple 2D sprites and polygons to complex and detailed 3D worlds and characters. 3D graphics enhance the gameplay and the aesthetic of video games, making them more immersive, interactive, and dynamic. Next, the web design. A less obvious but increasingly important application of 3D graphics is in web design, which refers to the visual and functional aspects of website and web application. 3D graphics can improve the user experience and the user interface of web design, making it more attractive, engaging, and intuitive. And the number 4 is virtual reality, a relatively new but rapidly growing application of 3D graphics in virtual reality, which refers to simulation of a 3D environment that users can explore and interact with using special devices such as headset and controllers. 3D graphics are essential for creating convincing and immersive VR experiences, as well as for providing feedback and guidance to users. Next, the augmented reality. A related but distinct application of 3D graphics is in augmented reality, which refers to the overlay of 3D objects or information onto the real world using devices such as smartphones and glasses. 3D graphics can enhance the perception and the interaction of users with their surrounding, as well as provide useful and fun features and functions. 3D graphics can also enable various applications or AR, such as navigation, gaming, shopping, and art. Some example of 3D AR include Pokemon and the Snapchat filters. Next, the 3D printing. A final but emerging application of 3D graphic is 3D printing, which refers to the process of creating physical objects from digital models using a device that deposits layer of material. 3D graphics can enable the design and the customization of 3D object as well as the visualization and verification of the printing process. 3D graphics can also enable various application of 3D printing such as prototyping, manufacturing, art, and medicine. Some examples of 3D printing include Lego bricks, prosthetic limbs, and organs. So next topic, the role and mathematics in graphics. Mathematics is critical tool for graphic designers, providing a means of creating precise and accurate visual compositions by understanding and applying mathematical concepts such as form, space, and proportion. Designers can relate visually appealing and balanced design. So, mathematics play a crucial role in graphics by providing the foundation for rendering images, manipulating its shapes, and creating realistic simulations. Concepts like geometry, trigonometry, linear algebra, and calculus are fundamental to tasks such as transforming objects, calculating lighting effects, simulating physics, and generating texture. In essence, mathematics provide the language and tools necessary for translating creative ideas into visual representation in the digital world. Then, for example is positioning and transforming and making 3D look real, smooth shapes, pixel pictures, light and shadows, adding details, call patterns, and speeding things up. So, for graphic design, it's mostly arithmetic and geometry. It's pretty rare you get into maths more complicated than that. I consider graphic design math to be a kind of intuitive math. If that makes any sense, you're working with a lot of proportion and ratio. You're quickly dividing and multiplying simple numbers in your head, adding and subtraction, stroke width from total width, and random stuff like that. You might need to know how to find the interior angle and the hexagon. You might need to know how to ensure lines are perfectly parallel or perfectly perpendicular. You rarely need to write down complicated equation or even use a calculator. So, because most of it's pretty simple. That's all. Thank you.